Are we even on? Because
Evan would have had it ready. Evan would have had it all set up. Didn't you have to track down the mics yourself?
Yeah.
We had to set up our own props.
Got to dust the table.
Yeah. I hope Evan watches this episode.
Place
You know, it is. You know, Evan's underappreciated.
Yeah.
Yeah. Too bad he's not here to hear it, you know? I don't even know what HD means, but my doctor said I had 80 of them.
I went to the store the other day. Bought 2 eggs, a banana, and an apple. I was checking out. The cashier said, "You must be single." I said, "How'd you know?" She said, "You're ugly."
Yeah.
All right.
X Series, man, we got a new product. Again, another product.
This one's cool.
This is cool, really cool. X Series Bistro lights. I mean, look, we got a light show already going. I don't know if the camera can pick that up that well or not, but it's
wicked cool.
Wicked cool. It just creates another element to the outdoor living space. You know, we had our Q Series Bistro lights previously, still do, obviously, sell a lot of them, by the way. But those are static colors. Yeah. You know, you can wire to the zone. There are a couple little bit of animations you can do with it, but nothing like X Series. You get the full controllability, capability, all the light show capability with X shows.
Yeah,
every bulb,
can be different colors, all of that. So the other cool part is that if you have this over your deck or around your pool or whatever, and your favorite team's playing.
Oh, game day.
Game day.
That's right. That's
Pretty
right.
Sweet.
Yes, and you can really get a really cool light show with game day. Not just some flashing, but you can do anything.
Yeah. So when your team scores, this thing can go.
Look, somebody's calling right now looking for X Series Bistro lights. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
It's just, gosh.
Hello. 120. All right. Yeah, we'll get that shipped out tomorrow.
Perfect.
There we go.
Yep. So you are working on July 4th.
Shit.
Hey, we don't stop around here.
Monday. So, super easy, plug and play.
Yeah.
Just like our regular ones.
Yep.
I mean, you can't get any easier.
No,
honestly.
nothing really else
Comes
to say.
in what sizes?
2.5, 5 foot, and 15-foot sections.
Yep. So the 2.5 is down to 1 bulb, so you
Yep.
can have it all the way down to exactly the size that you need.
Yep.
We forgot to tell them.
Would we forget?
Colors.
Oh, come in black or white.
Yeah. We
Yes.
just put in 900 feet
at a wedding center.
at a wedding venue.
Yes.
Of white.
Yes.
And it looks amazing.
Yep.
It's absolutely spectacular. I'm not sure if Evan will get B-roll in here or not, but hopefully he will.
We'll have some pictures soon of that for sure.
We know Bart won't, but Evan might.
Yeah, you know Evan's on top of it.
So hopefully we'll show that as well. So white or black, and it requires a X Series controller.
Right. So of course can be combined with the roofline lighting, which is, you know, initially what X Series was.
All works in the app. So if you have backyard lights with
put it all together.
Full color lights, it'll all work from the same app and schedule and game day. And
That's right. It's cool. It's cool stuff. We expect this to be a big seller, no doubt.
I just sold it.
It's just right there. They're calling already for it.
Right.
Yeah. We hadn't even finished this episode. It's like a telethon, you know. We just taking calls.
That's it.
Yep.
Where do they find it?
Hey, shophaven.com.
You almost forgot.
That was close.
Or Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and the X.
Good job.
I was struggling.
Hey, one hit wonder, buddy. Did a good job, Dave. Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, easy.
You know, I don't have the pressure.
You know, we don't need Evan. We don't even need Evan. No, we just do it ourselves.
There's a lot of pressure when Evan's here.
That's right. That's right.